Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OCGN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very rough day in this one with the big gap down, and then, of course, this was all occurring on well above average volume, so I'm sure there's going to still be plenty of eyeballs watching this one here as we head into Friday. So I want to get some new levels of support and resistance mapped out here. So the first level of resistance just comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken. And going into the day, this 725 mark from way back here was a very clear level of support. And, that is one of those areas where, you'd want to see the price stay above it. It didn't. And when the price did break below there at that moment in time, just going back to, like I said, the foundational rules, technical analysis, you would expect it to act as resistance. And that's eventually exactly what happened. So you can see later on in the day, the price got and tried to get above there, but could never quite do it. So while I'm not saying that 725 can never, ever be broken, all I'm saying is that it makes sense why the price did struggle at that area, and that moving forward, that'll be the main battleground. So if there is any sort of attempted, consolidation and then curling back to the upside, the big question mark starts off at 725. Again, not in the sense of can the price get up to that level, but more importantly, can the price actually break above it and stay above it? So you're going to want to keep a close eye on that moving forward. As far as levels of support are concerned, meaning if this thing continues to pull back, as you're seeing here, having to go back quite a bit into the charts history, the next key level of support to watch would be down there at the previous breakout point at $5.80. So $5.80, and then there would be a little bit of a miniature gap close around $5.50. But let's just see if the price even gets down to $5.80, and then if it gets down there and can't even hold above there, well then I'm sure I'll be back to update the chart at that point in time. But overall, those are going to be the main technical levels to watch here headed into Friday. So let's see how this one decides to close out the week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.